Hello dears, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how you're going to make a simple vector character for animation. So this character is really simple, so we are going to use simple shapes to design this character. So first we are going to use this ellipse tool. So first we are going to start from the face. So I'm going to assign a color, something like this, or let me try something similar to human skin, not scan. So we are going to make the eyes. I'm going to make something like this, and we are going to make this black. So now I'm going to put it right over here, and I'm going to alt and drag make another copy. So the next thing, we are going to design the eyebrow. So we are going to use this pen tool. We are going to make a straight line, and also let me resize this and increase the stroke size. So we are going to select a round for the eyebrow. I think the size is too much. Let's try make it something like this. And also I'm going to make a copy from that. So we are going to make the nose. We are going to increase, not using eyedropper tool. We are going to use this make the nose. Let me decrease the size. Like one is, I think, okay. So we are going to make the mouth. We are going to increase the stroke size for the mouth and change the color to white. And now we are going to design the hair. So we are going to use this rectangle shape as a hair. Let me select a black color for this, and we are going to round and move this the hairstyle something like this. We're going to round it. We also going to click right over here and round. Let's try make round this portion as well. So now we are going to make the ears. So again I'm going to click on ellipse tool. And I'm going to alt and drag make another copy and put it right over here. Also we are going to make a mustache for this, not full beard. We are going to use the pen tool. So I'm going to make measure something like this. So we are going to increase the stroke size, and also let me select a different kind of stroke here. So we are going to increase the source something like this, and we can right click and go to transform. We can reflect this because it doesn't look good. Let me resize this, and we are going to make a copy from this, and we are going to put them out or something like this. Please, we are going to make a copy. Right click, go to transform, click on reflect, click OK. Okay, we are going to align these two. I think with this massage we have some color, so we have to remove this color. And also you can see we have to move this massage because it's all under the mouth. So we are going to move this something like this. Now we are going to bring it here. Also let me control so I can see. So now we're done with this. So we are going to make this neck. This is for beginners, guys. If you're watching this video, that it's not for the professionals, especially this video, because this is really simple character. So this is made only for beginners. So we are going to make a copy from this. We are going to make the shoulders as well. Let me crop everything. You can see you can change the hairstyle if you do not like. So also for the mouth, I think the mouth need to be fixed. Yeah, now it looks good. So for the shoulders we are going to make something like black, and let me resize this, and we are going to round this part something like 15. Okay, 15 is, I think we are going to make it something like 70. I think let's try more. So we're going to make it something like this number. We're going to make a copy from this, and we're going to select this point, paste that number here, enter. And the final thing that we are going to use this ellipse tool for the chest. So we are going to assign some color, something like this. Let me resize this. And also we are going to add some circle for designs for this t-shirt or shirt, you can call it. So we are going to use it like 1, 2, it's going to be 3 as well. So let me, besides for the rest of the body we are not going to design anything because it's going to be too long. So you can use this animation for a different purpose, or you can use this character for animation if you want to, so you can use it. So for different purpose you can use this kind of character. So this is how you can illustrate a simple character with Adobe Illustrator. So we are done with our character, so I'm going to select everything, grouped in, and put it on the center of this page. So still, if you're not satisfied with this kind of character, so you can work a lot more for this. You can change the hair, and also you can see that our ears needs to be moved out. And now you know how to design a simple character. It means if you are going to design more, or if you want to work on these kind of characters more, so you're going to get good results. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something. And if you think this video is really help you in your graphic designing career or in your business, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you're going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.